Cravings don't mean you failed, it means your food isn't doing its job. Here's the fix. 5 Ninja Creami recipes, all under 400 calories and packed with at least 30 grams of protein. Strawberry, coffee, cake batter, Snickerdoodle, and New York cheesecake. The best part, none of them taste like diet food. Let's get started. Recipe 1, Strawberry Cream. 1 bottle of Members Mark Strawberry High Protein Shake into the blender. 1/4 cup of frozen strawberries. Use frozen strawberries, not fresh. Frozen are picked at peak ripeness. Stronger flavor, better texture, same price or cheaper. 1/4 teaspoon of Xanthan Gum, and this is going to go in every single recipe. It's a stabilizer. Without it, your creamy comes out icy and grainy. With it, you get a dense, scoopable texture. Pinch of salt. Yeah, salt in dessert sounds wrong, but it's not. It sharpens the sweetness and makes everything taste more like real ice cream and less like a protein shake. Every recipe gets it. Blend it, pour into a pint, and freeze for 24 hours. Light ice cream setting, and this one did take a couple of respins, but here it is. 175 calories and 30 grams of protein. Recipe 2, the vanilla coffee base. Same brand protein shake, but this one's vanilla, coffee concentrate, Flav City butter coffee protein powder, and this will do 2 things. It's adding the butter coffee flavor you normally get from the creamers and syrups, and it's adding protein at the same time. Cut the carbs without cutting the taste. 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum, pinch of salt, blend, pour into the pint, and freeze. Light ice cream setting, and this one also took a couple respins. But there you go, 247 calories, 41 grams of protein. Pre-workout and dessert in the same pint. Now for the next 3 recipes, I'm using Members Mark Ultra Filtered 2% milk and Optimum Nutrition's vanilla ice cream flavor protein powder as the first 2 ingredients. The milk has double the protein and half the sugar of regular 2% milk. And that's what gives these recipes the thick, creamy texture without blowing the calories. If you want it leaner, swap for Fairlife fat-free milk. Similar results, lower numbers. And the protein powder, 24 grams of protein per scoop, minimal fat, minimal sugar, and get the vanilla ice cream flavor specifically, not just the vanilla. Recipe 3, cake batter. On top of our base, we'll add some cake batter extract. Extract is more concentrated than flavoring. You only need a teaspoon, but it completely changes what it tastes like. 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum, pinch of salt, fix and freeze, light ice cream setting. 305 calories, 43 grams of protein. Recipe 4, Snickerdoodle. On top of our base, we're going cinnamon sugar. I just got this one from Target, but if you're making on your own, go 2 parts sugar and 1 part cinnamon. Cream of tartar, don't skip this. Cream of tartar is a mild acid. It creates the same light tang you get in an actual Snickerdoodle cookie. Xanthan gum, salt, mix it and freeze. Light ice cream setting, and there you go. 360 calories, 43 grams of protein. And I'm telling you, this one tastes good. If you grew up on Snickerdoodles, this one's gonna wreck you. Recipe 5, New York cheesecake. On top of our base, we're putting in sugar-free cheesecake pudding mix. And this will do 2 things. The cheesecake flavoring is obvious, but the starch in the pudding mix also acts as an extra thickener on top of the xanthan gum. Low-fat cream cheese, xanthan gum, salt, blend and freeze. Light ice cream setting, and there you have it. 385 calories, 45 grams of protein. Highest protein in the lineup. 5 recipes, 30 to 45 grams of protein per pint. Check out this video right here for more cheat codes. And hit subscribe for more videos like this.